Hello and welcome to today's short how-to tutorial brought to you by the Panthera Academy. Today's video is going to show you how to change the rods on your Panthera Classic appliance. Every appliance that is delivered to your office is delivered with a full set of rods, a full sheet of rods ranging from 20.5 millimeters all the way up to 30 millimeters. First of all, this gives you a wide range of titration, and second of all, it gives you a very accurate titration as the rods are increased in increments of 0.5 millimeters. What is also very important to know is that the Classic is a traction-based device. Therefore, shorter rods increase protrusion, longer rods decrease protrusion. I repeat, shorter rods increase protrusion, longer rods decrease protrusion. So with having all this information in mind, I'm now going to run you through the step-by-step on how to change your rods on your Classic appliance. With appliance in hand, the first step to do is remove the existing rods. I'm going to start on one end by rotating the upper appliance 180 degrees. And you will notice that at some point the triangle is going to line up with a hole on the appliance, and now it's easy for me to remove the rod. And I do the same on the opposite side, rotating until the holes line up, and now I can remove the rods from the appliance. I do the same on both upper and lower. Now I have both my appliance ready for insertion of the new rods. The rods come in sheets, as I'd already mentioned, ranging from 20.5 millimeters all the way around to 30 millimeters. Once I've established what the length of rod is that I need, I'm going to remove the rods from the sheet, making sure that both rods are the same length unless otherwise indicated. If, once I've removed the rods, there may be some flash from the connections on the sheets, those are easily removed with a scalpel, just to ensure easy insertion. So just to clean up if there is any flash. Now, once I've got everything in place, it's time to reassemble the appliance. Starting on the lower appliance, I start off by lining up the triangles. Once they're lined up, I insert. I do the same on the opposite arch. I line up the triangles. Now I have both of the rods assembled on the lower arch. Now it's time to connect the upper and the lower arch. Starting on one end, I line up the triangles on the upper arch and insert the rod into the upper arch. Here's the trick. At this point, I want to ensure that when I rotate the appliance to insert the rod on the opposing quadrant, not to dislodge this side again. The trick there is using my middle finger and thumb. I keep both arches horizontal and keep them locked in place. I then take the other side and rotate the appliance 180 degrees until the triangle snaps in and it's now in place. At this point, I have now inserted my new rods in a few very easy steps. So I hope this tutorial has helped you. If you do have any more questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. We're happy to help you. But until the next time, until the next how-to video, thank you from the Panthera Academy. Until then, goodbye.